Mr. Fagan Singh.
Namaskar Ji. With your kind permission, can I start the program, sir?
Please.
Thank you, sir.
With the permission of Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Steel, we are starting today's program. Joy is what happens to us when we allow ourselves to recognize how good things really are. When we do things from our soul, we feel a river moving in us, a joy. Good morning, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Respected Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Minister of Steel, Government of India, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji, Honorable Minister of State for Steel, Government of India, Sri Fagan Singh Kuliste Ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Karnataka, Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan Ji, Honorable MP, Dakshina Kannada District, Mangalore, Sri Nalin Kumar Katil Ji, MP Tumkur, Sri G.S. Baswaraj Ji, MP Mandya, Madam Sumalada Ji, and all other respected dignitaries. Today, we are gathered for the inauguration of 5 megawatt solar and barrel reclaimer projects of KOCL and its dedication to the nation, and also for dedication of oxygen generation plant and hospital bed facilities being donated by KOCL to take care of the devastating consequences of the pandemic. It is our moral responsibility to welcome the distinguished guests and all other members of the function. On this occasion, may I request CMD KOCL, Sri M.V. Subbarao, to deliver welcome address.
Good morning, dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen. Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum, Natural Gas and Steel, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji, Honorable Minister of State for Steel, Sri Fagan Singh Kuliste Ji, Honorable Member of Parliament, State BJP President, Sri Nalin Kumar Katil Ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan Ji, Sri Nirmalananda Nada Mahaswami Ji, and all other dignitaries. Today is an auspicious day for KOCL, as we are dedicating our various projects such as oxygen generation plant, hospital beds, 5 megawatt greenfield solar power plant, and barrel reclaimer to the nation. We are indeed fortunate to have in our midst the person of vision and action and an architect of innovative ideas, our Honorable Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Government of India, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan Ji. On this momentous day, I am honored and humbled to convey an affable welcome with a warm gesture of an outstretched hand. Despite his hectic schedule, has spared precious time to be with us today. I am indeed delighted by his presence. Our Honorable Union Minister strongly believes that the steel sector has extraordinary potential to harness the vision of Make in India and Atmanirbhar Bharat. And we at KOCL are effusively backing his aspirations and shall surely endeavor to put in our sincere efforts. We are honored to welcome you, sir. Thank you for gracing the occasion, sir. I welcome Sri Fagan Singh Kuliste Ji, Honorable Minister of State for Steel, Government of India, for his support and for all constructive endeavors, including CSR of KOCL for today's program. Kuliste Ji is encouraging tribals to keep alive their cultural activities. He is founder and organizer of education units, providing free education to the weaker sections of the society. I extend my hearty welcome to you, sir. I cordially invite Sri Nalin Kumar Katil Ji, Honorable MP, Dakshin Kannada District, Mangalore. Nalinji is continuously supporting KYSL in all its activities for the progress of the company and also supporting in conducting all welfare activities. I'm delighted to have Dr. C.N. Aswath Narayanji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Government of Karnataka, who is also head of COVID task force with us for today's program. We remember him for the continued support to KYSL by Government of Karnataka for all his support to implement KYSL's projects. We extend our hearty welcome to you, sir. I warmly invite Sri G.S. Basavaraj, MP Tumkur, Sri Somalata Madam, MP Mandya for their unstinted support. I also cordially invite Dr. Y. Bharat Shetty, Honorable MLA Mangalore, Sri D.V. Kamath, Honorable MLA Mangalore, Sri U.T. Khadar, Honorable MLA Mangalore, Sri Umesh A. Kotian, Honorable MLA Modabidri, Sri Suresh Gowda, Honorable MLA Nagamangala, who are also supporting us in all our endeavors. I extend my hearty welcome to you, sirs. We are extremely sanctified to have His Holiness Sri Nirmalananda Nada Mahaswamiji of Sri Adichanchagari Math with us for today's program. Swamiji is continuously taking care of welfare, health, employment of needy people, especially poor, and also extending good education facilities to all deserving students. The Mahaswamiji is also very fond of literary works and writings of the well-known Jnanapeta awardee Rashtrakavi Kuvempu. I extend my hearty welcome to Swamiji and seek his blessings. I welcome Sri P.K. Tripathi, IAS Secretary, Minister of Steel, Government of India, who is the force behind the strength of Steel Ministry for today's program. I extend my hearty welcome to you, sir. I extend hearty welcome to Srimati Sukriti Ilke, ASFA, Srimati Rasika Chobe, AS, Srimati Ruchika Chobe Govil, AS, Sri Punit Kansal, JS, Sri T. Srinivas, JS, Sri Avadesh Kumar Chaudhary, Economic Advisor for today's program. I also invite Dr. K.V. Rajendra, DC Mangalore, Sri Y.S. Patil, DC Tumkur, Sri Aswad, Mrs. Aswati Madam, DC Mandya, and other state administrative staff. I also invite all independent directors, CBO, IIM, and all other officials, employees, unions, representatives, associations of KYSL for today's program. I take this opportunity to welcome other supporting organizations, Yampol, Elkan Engineering, and Advanced Technologies, and representatives from media to this August gathering. With heartfelt joy, I take pride in welcome you all for today's program. Thank you very much to all of you.
Thank you very much, sir. As part of our social responsibility, KOCL is closely associated with the development of Mangalore and nearby areas. The support that we received from the local authorities is admirable. On this occasion, may I request Deputy Commissioner of Dakshina Kannada District, Dr. K.V. Rajendra, to speak a few words.
Good morning, sirs. Honorable Union Minister of Petroleum and Natural Gas and Steel, Shri Dharmendra Pradhanji, Honorable Minister of State for Steel, Kulasteji, Honorable Deputy CM of Karnataka, Aswath Narayan sir, and Honorable MP of Dakshin Kannada and other dignitaries. I am Dr. Rajendra KV, Deputy Commissioner of Dakshin Kannada. My heartfelt thanks to and gratitude to KOCL for supporting Dakshin Kannada District Administration in managing COVID pandemic. Mangalore being a hub of medical colleges and education, making all efforts to save the life of people of this district and neighboring district of Karnataka and Kerala state. In this effort, KOCL has helped to set up 100 beds in additional beds in Dakshin Kannada, especially in Mudbidre and Veltande Taluk, which is of great help for district administration in managing the COVID. KOCL has also come forward to support in setting up 2 on-site oxygen generation plant, one at Bantwala and another one at Mudbidre. These are all of great help. Actually, these are some of the 2 major helps what KOCL is supporting us. Sir, I would like to place it on record my sincere, heartfelt thanks and gratitude to KOCL for all their CSR activities, which are helping us in connecting last mile in implementing all government-related schemes, both Karnataka government and central government, sir. I would like to personally congratulate the team of KOCL members for always supporting the district administration. Thanks to one and all. Thanks for this opportunity.
Thank you very much, sir. Honorable MP of Dakshina Kannada District, Sri Nalin Katilji, is closely associated with KOCL in connection with all welfare activities of the company, and his support to the company is beyond any imagination. May I request him to talk on this occasion. Kindly unmute the microphone, please. Thank you.
ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿರುವ ಆದಿಚುಂಚನಗಿರಿ ಮಠದ ಪರಮ ಪೂಜ್ಯ ಶ್ರೀ 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 ನಿರ್ಮಲಾನಂದನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮೀಜಿ ಅವರ ಪಾದಕಮಲಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಣಾಮಗಳನ್ನು ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ, respected Petroleum and Steel Minister, Government of India, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan ji, respected Minister of State Steel for Steel, Government of India, Fagan Singh Kulastej ji, respected Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, Dr. Ashwath Narayan ji, Honorable Minister of Sri Madhuswami ji, my parliamentary colleagues Shri G.S. Basavaraj ji, Srimati Sumalaj ji, our honorable MLAs, Honorable KOCL CMD M.E. Subbarao ji, Honorable Union Steel Secretary P.R. Tripathi ji, and all other dignitaries and ladies and gentlemen. I must congratulate our Petroleum and Steel Minister Dharmendra Pradhan ji, supporting us through KOCL and MRPL from their CSR to fight against COVID-19 by providing oxygen plants, ambulance, ventilators, beds to government hospital and COVID care center. ಇದೊಂದು ವಿಶಿಷ್ಟವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನನ್ನ ಸಂಸದೀಯ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಪ್ರಧಾನಮಂತ್ರಿ ಶ್ರೀ ನರೇಂದ್ರ ಮೋದಿ ಅವರ ದೂರದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಧರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್ ರವರ ಸಮರ್ಥ ನಾಯಕತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳ ಸರಣಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನೆ ಇಂದು ನಾವು ಸಾಕ್ಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈ COVID-19 ಸಾಂಕ್ರಾಮಿಕ ರೋಗದ ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಕಂಪನಿ ತನ್ನ ಸಹಾಯ ಹಸ್ತ ಚಾಚುವ ಮೂಲಕ ಸ್ಥಳೀಯ ಜನತೆಯ ಆರೋಗ್ಯದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿದೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಕಂಪನಿ 50 ಹಾಸಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಮೂಡಬಿದಿರೆಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರಿ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಸುಮಾರು 18 ಲಕ್ಷ ವೆಚ್ಚದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಿದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ದಕ್ಷಿಣ ಕನ್ನಡ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಡಳಿತಕ್ಕೆ ಆಂಬ್ಯುಲೆನ್ಸ್ 100 ಹೆಚ್ಚುವರಿ ಹಾಸಿಗೆಗಳನ್ನು ಒದಗಿಸಿದೆ. ಉಪ್ಪಿನಂಗಡಿ ಮೂಡಬಿದಿರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ 250 ಲೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಗಳನ್ನ ಸ್ಥಾಪಿಸಲು ಒಪ್ಪಿಕೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಇಂದು ಮಂಗಳೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಪೆಲೆಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ನ ಆಧುನೀಕರಣದ ಭಾಗವಾಗಿ ಸುಮಾರು 1000 ಟನ್ ಸಾಮರ್ಥ್ಯದ ಬ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡರ್ ರೀಕ್ಲೈಮನ್ ಸುಮಾರು 17.50 ಕೋಟಿ ವೆಚ್ಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸುವ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಇದಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಮಾನ್ಯ ಧರ್ಮೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಧಾನ್ ಜಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸಚಿವರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕುಲಸ್ತೆ ಅವರನ್ನ, ಕುದುರೆಮುಖ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಮುಖ್ಯಸ್ಥರನ್ನ, ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳನ್ನ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕವಾಗಿ ಅಭಿನಂದಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ನನ್ನ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೊಮ್ಮೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೆ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನ, ಅಭಿನಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.
Thank you very much, sir. Deputy Chief Minister of Government of Karnataka, Dr. C.N. Ashwath Narayan ji, is closely associated with KOCL in all our projects. His role in monitoring and controlling of coronavirus pandemic in Karnataka state is praiseworthy. May I request you, sir, to speak on this occasion.
Namaskara. Good morning to each one of you who are assembled and participating in this virtual conference. The program organized by Kuduremukh Iron Ore Company Limited with regard to the CSR activity to extend all the facilities across the state of Karnataka in many fields with regard to the solar plant and with regard to the providing oxygen generators, many more facilities, providing hospital beds, many things have been done by the KOCL. In this program, the divine presence of our Shri Shri Parama Pujya Nirmalananda Natha Mahaswami ji and our well-wisher and our Honorable Minister for Petroleum, Natural Gas and for Steel, none other than our Honorable respected Dharmendra Pradhan ji, and for Minister for State Fagan Singh Kulastej, and our Honorable President for the BJP